just filmed a mukbang and my phone didn't save it. I'm furious. I'm angry. I'm mad. I just stuffed my face for nothing. I just sat here and it was beautiful. We had cheeseburgers. We had all this was so good. We had cheese curds and my mukbang is ruined. I spent $70 on this food. This stupid iPhone. I hate you, Siri. I hate you. My minute. And this might shut off again. It's because I put it on 4K so you can have better quality. Because I try for you. I try for you. I put it on. And this is why I don't film on my phone. I ate all these. I ate the chili cheese fries. All these boxes. All this stuff in my life. You can't even see. And the sun's coming with shadows. And I have all this stuff. And I paid $75 and it didn't record anything. It was recording. I saw the timestamp. I said the 1. And guess what? Everything's not here anymore. I just ate for no reason other than to survive. And there's people looking at me and I don't care, lady. Don't look at me, lady. I'm in a crowded parking lot outside A&W. I tried to do this video to make it great. Just talking to myself now. This video's ruined. I'm not spending the stomach space to do it all over again. I'm not.